Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML. We're going to do a section about tables, and this is the first one. We're going to talk about the table tag, the TR tag for a table row, and the TD tag for a table cell. We'll write some notes about them and we'll move on. Alright, so the first thing to know about tables is that 20 years ago they were everything. You had to lay out your pages with tables, and it was awful, and people stopped doing it. But if you ever find yourself trolling through very, very old code trying to figure out what the heck's going on, you might see a whole lot of these tables. Tables inside of tables inside of tables, and it's nasty and horrible. But we still do use tables to do tabular data. You know, when you have information that needs to be in rows and columns, then you can make a table. But actually you don't have to anymore. That's with CSS you can use other tactics and make your table data a little more malleable, so that if you have it on a vertical phone screen, then you can make it lay out differently than if you have it on a big computer screen. So tables are less important now than they were 20 years ago. Also less important now than they probably will be going forward. But you still need to know these tags. So, table tags. Alright. I'm going to start by editing our template. Let's see. We need to edit with Notepad++. And actually, let's go ahead and save it. Save as. Tables. Okay. And we'll just fill out this template, tables. Yeah, okay. Tables. Alright. Okay, so the table tag. To make a table, you start with the table tag, and then to end your table, you close your table tag. Between your opening table tag and your closing table tag, you make rows, and in your rows you put table data tags for cells. Okay, so let's do that real quick. We'll make a row, and at the end of the row we'll close the row. We'll make another one. Alright, so we'll have two rows, and inside the rows we'll have cells, TD, table data, close TD. Okay, let's make, let's see, we'll make four cells in each row. Okay, we will have Bruce Wayne, and that's the end of that cell. Here's the beginning of the next cell. Bruce Wayne lives in Gotham City. Bruce Wayne is a rich guy, and he is also Batman. Funny, but it's true. Alright, Clark Kent lives in Metropolis. He is a journalist, and he is also Superman. Okay, so we've got the table tag, the TR tag for table row, the TD tag for table cells. Table data. I'm going to save it, and let's see, we got to open it. Tables, open it. Alright, so it worked. We can see that we have a table here, and we can tell it worked because the columns line up. See, Gotham City lines up with Metropolis, and Rich Guy lines up with Journalist, and Batman lines up with Superman. So we are cooking with gas. All right, let's take notes on these tags as we go. And we'll make a page that's about tables as we go. Okay, so the table tag creates a table. The tr tag makes a table row. The td tag makes a table data element, which you could call a table cell, if that's what you want to call it. Okay, we need to put our code tags around these tags. Alright, okay, here we go. Paste, 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 close it, copy, paste, paste. Okay, let's see how we did. Bring back over here and refresh. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Alright, still looks good. Let's check it and make sure it's valid. Let's see, what is this? Here's our, alright, yep, validator, good. We're going to validate by direct input. Go get our text, paste it, and see if we did anything wrong. Alright, it's green. That's good. Okay, so that's your very first table lesson. There's more to come. We'll talk about table headings and that sort of thing. It'll be great. All right.